In this video, you'll learn how to add a custom domain on Vercel. By following these steps, you will successfully link your custom domain to your Vercel project, enhancing its accessibility and professionalism. Begin by navigating to the Vercel website. Open your preferred web browser and enter the URL for Vercel in the address bar. Once the page loads, you will see the home page featuring various options related to your projects. Next, locate and click on the Overview tab. This section provides you with a summary of your projects and their status. After selecting this, the screen will display an overview of all your deployments and settings. After that, click on the Projects option in the sidebar. This action will take you to a list of your projects hosted on Vercel. You can identify the project you want to configure by its name in the displayed list. Once you find your project, click on the Deployments tab. This will show you the deployment history for the selected project. You should see a timeline of your deployments along with their statuses. The next step involves selecting your specific project from the list of deployments. Click on the project name to access its dedicated settings. This screen will provide detailed information about the selected deployment. Now, move to the Deployment Checks section. This option will guide you through the necessary checks for your deployment. After clicking, you should see a list of checks with their respective statuses. Following this, click on Assigning Custom Domains. This section allows you to manage domain assignments for your project. You will see options related to domain configuration. Next, select the Custom Domain option. Here, you will be able to enter your desired custom domain name. Ensure that the domain you plan to use is registered and accessible. Then, click on Manage to access additional settings for your custom domain. This will allow you to manage various aspects of your domain configuration. After that, click on the Edit button. This action enables you to modify the current domain settings. Make sure to verify the details displayed on the screen before proceeding. Next, click on the Domain field to select your custom domain. You will see an input area where you can enter your new domain name. At this point, type in your new custom domain if you have it ready. Be cautious to enter the domain accurately to avoid errors in configuration. Next, click on Connect to an environment. This step is crucial for linking your domain to a specific environment within your project. Following this, select Redirect to another domain if you wish to set up redirect traffic from one domain to another seamlessly. Finally, click on the Save button to complete the process. This action will confirm your changes and ensure that your custom domain is now associated with your Vercel project. That wraps up today's guide. Thanks for watching and catch you in the next tutorial.